Monday the 31st, and it is almost 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's Halloween, so happy Halloween, everyone. Yeah, can you guys guess what I'm going as today? Just simple, an emoji. That's right. More I get older though, I just try to find the best costume for an Instagram. So yeah, isn't that what every person does? I mean, that's what I've been seeing all weekend, so that's what I'm gonna do. Anyways, yeah, so I just watched the Today Show. Their like Halloween thing, it was where just have school today and then don't know what else. So come along with me. The vlog is uploading and it should be up super soon. So get excited for that and make sure you turn my post notifications on because I post every single Monday a new weekly vlog. Hey guys, a new vlog was posted, so go check it out. But I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you've already seen it. But if not, then go check out my vlogs. And there's a couple more in the playlist over there. Yeah. So this is our little Halloween setup. Got buckets of candy, a little lawn gnome thing, and a candle we're gonna light. Then we're gonna carve our pumpkin. It's around like 5:30, and we're just getting ready for the trick-or-treaters. I just posted an Instagram of my costume, or like outfit, costume, whatever. So make sure you go check it out. And yeah, I don't know. I like seeing what the little kids wear for their costumes and everything, and I'm pretty excited to carve this pumpkin. So we'll see you in a little bit. Oh! I hope you're gonna leave.
Good job, Mom.
Hey everyone, Emily here. It's 8 o'clock on a Tuesday morning. It is also November 1st. I can't believe this is a new month. Last month like flew by, but this month is probably gonna fly by even faster. But I just hope that this month is great for all of us, because I love to start a new month. It's like a new beginning kind of thing, you know? But anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and I will catch you later. Per usual, I just have school from 10:30 to 12:30, and then therapy at 4:30. Yeah. Catch you guys later. It's a long time no vlog. It is 8 o'clock on Wednesday morning. Yeah, time just got away from me yesterday, but this is one of the main reasons why I do weekly vlogs, because if I don't get enough footage one day, at least I have footage from the day before in the week, you know? But I'm all ready and ate breakfast already, so now I'm just editing what footage I do have. My bus should come soon, so we're just hanging out here until it does. So hope you have a good day. Talk to you later. Say hi to all your friends. Say hi, friends. I don't think Maddie's feeling too good, huh? Are you not feeling good? Yeah, are you not feeling good? I don't think so. I think her ears are bothering her. Huh? See, feel better, right? You're gonna feel better soon. Say bye, friends. So guys, my printer and stapler got a workout today because I had to print out like so much stuff for my English class. Like literally this whole pile of papers. It's all notes for a test that I'm having, or a quiz actually. But literally that was only supposed to take me like 10 minutes, but it took me longer because if you use Blackboard at your school, you know that like teachers post links and whatever, but most of the links were not opening, and I had to do some other stuff, you know, different ways and try to open things different ways. But yeah, so now I'm done. I shockingly don't have math homework to do because I finished that this morning before I left for school. So now I'm just gonna get ready to chill because I finished that pile of stuff, and I'm all ready for Monday because this is an open book test. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Well, that's been an interesting morning so far. Hey guys, what's up? It's Emily here. It's 8:14 on Thursday. And yeah, I've had a pretty eventful morning. Literally 2 seconds before I was gonna turn on this video and start filming, I had a bloody nose that I had to take care of. It got all over my shirt, so I had to run, go change, and clean up before I started filming. And yeah, but I'm good. I get them all the time, so I'm used to them by now, but it's just a nuisance, you know what I mean? Have you ever wondered how YouTubers get their emojis and like titles and whatever? Yeah, me too. Luckily, I didn't have to do much of figuring it out because my dear friend, Courtney Marie, she's another daily vlogger, weekly vlogger on YouTube, so I will link her channel down below. She actually figured it out. What you need is an app. So I downloaded the app. It's just, you know, free from the Mac App Store. And what you do is you just download it and you click whatever emoji you want. They've got like literally all of them. And you copy it. And then you can just paste it in your title to make it like cool, or you could paste it in your description box or literally anywhere on YouTube or on anything if you want. But I will totally link Courtney's channel down below so you guys can go check her out because she's very similar to me. She does like the weekly vlog setup and everything, so if you like my videos then you'll definitely like hers. Alright guys, talk to you later. Time flies by when you're having fun. Hey guys, long time no talk. I got home from school at around 2:30 and I had lunch and I got straight to doing homework. I had about 6 assignments to do for math by Monday because I have a test coming up on Thursday, so you know, it's just time to get stuff done. I'm always busy around test time. I had like six assignments to do, and I have 2 left that I will do tomorrow. They're like little mini quizzes that I have left to do, and they're like 5 questions each, so I can do those tomorrow. But yeah, so I packed up my backpack and everything, so I'm just gonna import some footage I have on my camera, and then I will be good to go chill and watch some TV. Alright, so catch you guys later. Hey guys, good morning. It is 9:30 on Friday, and I've already had a pretty productive morning. I cleaned and I organized and just some stuff for school over there, and I moved like some things around my room, and I already got one of my math assignments done, so that knocks another one off the list for my test on Thursday. And yeah, so I have a meeting at 10:30 that I need to go to, and then not 10:30, I need to get ready at 10:30 because the meeting's at 11. So I have about an hour to chill and play with the dogs and stuff, and yeah. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. Have a good Friday. Hey guys, now it is 1:20. I've been home for a little bit from my meeting. It went pretty good. I'll update you guys on what's going on when I have more information to give, but I just don't want to put everything out there and then have it change, you know? So yeah, I'll update you guys soon. But yeah, so I had some lunch and now I'm going to edit a little bit, and then I think I'm gonna call my grandma and see if she wants to come over. Alrighty, talk to you later.
A lot of kids, huh?
No, we didn't have a lot of kids for Halloween. That's why we have candy left over. And that's why you're helping us eat it all.
Yeah.
Yeah. You love candy, huh?
I like anything. Let me see what else you got here.
Oh, you want more? Hold on. She's got her coffee and she's got her chocolate. She loves her sweets. So you're all set, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
So how was work at school?
It was good. It was good, yeah.
What you get that?
Morning, guys. It is Saturday and it is 11 o'clock in the morning. I've just been chilling out. I woke up at like 7 and I took a shower, got ready and all that. I'm wearing a comfy outfit, some pants, my favorite shoes, and this really comfy shirt. It's one of those like camp jerseys or whatever they call it. Got it from Myrtle Beach when I went to go visit Logan. And yeah, I'm just watching hold on. Just watching a little bit of Teen Mom. Today the plan is, I don't know what I have during the day, but my parents are going out tonight, so I'll probably have another FaceTime session with Logan, so that'll be fun. And I'll have her say hi again, and yeah. So I'll catch you guys later. Long time no talk. It is currently 8 o'clock on Saturday night. During the day, I just literally worked on math homework all day. I literally worked on it for about 4 hours. Just sitting at my computer, working on it. Now I'm editing the vlog, but yeah. So I was literally working on it for so long. And then my parents left and went out to dinner. My sister's at her boyfriend's house. So I have the TV to myself and I'm just catching up on my shows that I like to watch and editing and filming for you guys right now. And yeah, so, oh, and Logan couldn't FaceTime tonight. She was busy, but that's okay. We will do it next week or something and you guys can see her. She's a fellow CP sister of mine for those of you who don't know. But yeah, so I will catch you guys tomorrow because I'm not really going to be doing anything else except just watching and hanging out with the dogs and maybe calling one of my friends about schoolwork. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, it's Emily here. It's 7:50 on Sunday night and I know I didn't vlog all day, but I didn't really do much. So that's why I'm glad I have footage to fill in the rest of the time. So I'm just going to end off the vlog here so I can export it and get it saved and ready to upload for tomorrow. So tomorrow I can start off another vlog. So don't forget to follow me on all my social medias down below, such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. And also check out my previous videos. Thanks. Have a good week or day or night whenever you're watching this. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore.